If you know the Honda Accord 2012-2017 and its engine sometimes refuses to run, and it happens more often and more often, highly likely the starter fails. But actually, you don't need to buy neither a new starter nor a used one. First of all, I would recommend you to try starting your engine in a quiet place in order you can listen the tick sound of your starter without your car's engine running. If it happens, you have to replace this quite not expensive part. Moreover, you can use cheap, not genuine part as me. The issue is with this connector, which looks like a bolt washer. Now I'll show how this connector works. Now I'll show how you can handle these springs after you install this part and how you can pull them out. Now let's look at the used part which was replaced from my car's starter. The starter failed each fourth time when I tried to start my car's engine. I spent about $11 for the starter replacement, also $11 for the starter repairing with this part replacement, and now the engine starts excellent. Thank you for watching, good luck and bye bye.